Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start our new chapter number 3, that is Prahelika. Prahelika, this is a plural word. It means riddles or puzzles. Besides Subhashita, which give us knowledge about ethical behavior, that is riddles. The riddles, puzzles, problem processing verses have important place in Sanskrit literature. To keep the secret of the scholar hidden in the humorous word, either wants to confuse other, the intelligent person use riddles. So let us start our chapter. The first riddle is एक चक्षुर्न काकोयं बिल्मिच्छन पन्नगः क्षीयते वर्धते चैव न समुद्रो न चंद्रमा. एक चक्षुः, one with one eye, न काकः, not a crow. बिलम इच्छनः, one wants to go into a hole, न पन्नगः, not a snake. क्षीयते become less, vardhate becomes more, na samudro, not a sea, na chandrama, not the moon. So this has one eye, but it is not a crow. Bilmachan pannagaha, wishing to go into a hole, but this is not a snake. क्षीयते वर्धते च एव न समुद्रः न चंद्रमा. These become less, become more, but it is not a sea, not a moon. Hope you got the meaning. But what is the answer? So the answer is a needle, suchihi. We all know that a needle has a hole. It means eye. It wish to go into a hole. For torn clothes, while stitching, the thread goes in and out of the cloth, like become less and become more. Come to the second one. चतुर्मुखो न च ब्रह्मा वृषारूढ़ो न शंकरः निर्जीवः च निराहारी अजस्रम धान्य भक्षणम. चतुर्मुखो having four faces, न च ब्रह्मा not Lord Brahma. वृषः आरूढ़ो वृष bull, आरूढ़ sitting, वृषारूढ़ः sitting on a bull. न शंकरः not Lord Shiva, Shankar. निर्जीवः without life, च and निराहारी, nir plus ahari, one who doesn't eat food. Ajashram constantly, regularly, dhanya bhakshanam, consuming grains. So, Chaturmukho Nature Brahma. He has four faces, but it is not Brahma. Vrusharudo na Shankaraha. He sits on a bull, but it is not Lord Shankaraha. Nirjivaha cha nirahari. Cha and. He is non-living and eats nothing. Ajashram dhanya bhakshanam, but still regularly consuming grains. So the answer is halam or flour mill, peshan yantram. We all know there are four faces, like four surface of a mill. One stone is on the top of the other, like sitting on a bull. Regularly, we all know that consuming grain, when it grinds, it is a if the grain is being consumed, and of course it is non-living and never eat anything. The third wind. आपदो दूरगामी च साक्षरो न च पंडितः अमुक स्फुटवक्ता च यो जानाति स पंडितः. Apado, without leg. Apadaha, padaha, it means leg. Apadaha, without leg. Durgami, going a long distance. Saksharoho, it means with letters. Cha panditaha is a scholar. Panditaha, scholar. Amukhaha, mukhaha, it means mouth. But amukha, it is without a mouth. Sputavaktaha, speak frankly. Yaha, who, janati, knows. Sa, he, panditaha, scholar. Apado durgami cha, he is without feet but goes long distance. Saksharo, nacha panditaha, is literate but it is not a scholar. Amukhaha, he has no mouth. Sputavaktacha, and speak frankly. Yoho janati sa pandita, who knows, this is scholar. So do you know the answer? The answer is a letter. Come to the next. पर्वताग्रे रथो याति भूमौ तिष्ठति सारथि चलति वायु वेगेन पद्मेकं न गच्छति. First of all, we are doing translation word to word. Parvatagre, peak of a mountain, either top of the mountain. Parvatagre, ratho, it means chariot. Yati is moving. Bhumau, on earth, on the ground. Tishtati, it means standing. Sarathi, charioteer. Chalati, moving. Vayu vegin, with the speed of wind. Padam ekam na gachati. Padam, step. Ekam, one. Gachati, go. So here the translation is, the chariot moves on the peak of a mountain. Parvatagre rathoyati. The chariot moves on the peak of a mountain. Bhumau tishtati sarathi. The charioteer stays on the ground. Chalati vayu vegene. It moves with the speed of wind. Padmekam na gachati, but does not go even one step. So, do you know the answer? The answer is potter's wheel. Kumbhakarasya chakram. So, dear student, you can understand the potter wheel is a mountain. The sand or earthen is the chariot. The potter is sitting on the ground, that is charioteer, and that potter's wheel are moving with the speed of wind, but we all know they are roaming around there only, they are not stepping ahead. The fifth one, Suvarnasya 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 cha Janaki Preshita tav Ramena Suvarnasya cha Mudrika. Here 4 times Suvarnasya word is coming, and every time the meaning of Suvarnasya is different. Okay, in this shloka, Suvarnasya, Suvarnasya, it means noble family. Suvarnasya. Next one is great family. The third Suvarnasya, luster color. Janaki. Janaki, the daughter of King Janak. It means Sita. Preshita has sent Tav for you, Ramen by Ram. Suvarnasya, here of gold. Cha and Mudrika, it means ring. So, very nicely the poet used the word and one word with many meaning. Hanuman, who went Lanka and find Sita, he says to Sita, "Oh, Sita, of the noble family, Janaka's daughter, Lord Ram of the greatest family has sent this ring made of gold with luster color for you." Hanuman, Lord Hanuman said to Sita, "For you, noble family," it means Janaka's daughter Sita, "Lord Ram of greatest family has sent this ring made of gold with luster colors for you." Now the last one. Bhojanante chakkim peyam jayanta वै सुतः कथम विष्णु पदम प्रोक्तम तक्रम शक्रस्य दुर्लभम. भोजनांते चक्किम पेयम. Bhojan ante, at the end of the meal. Bhojan, meal, ante, end. Peyam, should be drunk. Jayant, this is the name. Kashyavai Sutaha, whose son. Katham, Proktam, how it is called. Vishnu Padam, the name of Vishnu. And the last section of this shloka is the answer of first three charanas. The first is Bhojanante che kim piyam. This is the question. What should be drunk at the end of the meal? So the answer is takram. The second question is Jayanta Kashyavai Sutam. Whose son is Jayant? So the answer is Shakrasya. It means Indra's. And the last question is Katham Vishnu Padam Proktam. How is Vishnu's name said to be? So the answer is Durlabham. It means difficult to get. So in this puzzle, the answers are already given. So such type of puzzles we are studying here. Hope you enjoy.